Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send XDC to Trust Wallet in 2025. XDC, the native token of the Shin-Fin network, is gaining traction for its fast and secure transactions, and Trust Wallet is one of the best places to store it. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up your skills, this step-by-step guide will get you sending XDC like a pro in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone. If you don't, head to your app store, download it, and create a new wallet or import an existing one. Once you're in, you'll need to add the XDC network. Go to the Settings menu, find Add Custom Network, and enter the XDC details. Network name is Zinfin, RPC URL is https://rpc.anchor.com/xdc . Chain ID is 50, and symbol is XDC. Save that, and now your wallet is ready for XDC. Next, get your Trust Wallet address for XDC. Open the wallet, select the XDC network from your assets list, and copy the wallet address displayed on the screen. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive. Now, if you're sending XDC from an exchange like Binance or Coinbase, log into your account, go to your XDC holdings, and select the withdraw option. Paste your Trust Wallet address into the withdrawal form. Specify the amount you want to send, and don't forget to check the network. Make sure it's set to XDC or Shin-Fin to avoid lost funds. After confirming the details, hit send and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to your Trust Wallet app and refresh your balance. You should see your XDC there. A quick word of caution: always double-check addresses and networks to prevent errors. Also, be mindful of any transaction fees, which can vary. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to send XDC to Trust Wallet in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there and happy trading. See you in the next video.